Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Wednesday. Today is June the 24th. Man, June is flying by. We're almost into July. So anyway, we're out here in the Dacula, Georgia area. This is a client that has actually been following me on Facebook, and she said, Courtney, when we ever decide to get the wood floors done, we know who to call. So I came out here last week, did a in-home consultation. They booked on the spot for today. Want to be doing a screen and recoat with UV cure. Also, shout out to Christian. Him and one of his guys just left. They came and moved the furniture for my client, and they'll be coming back this afternoon to put the furniture back. That is the beauty of my one-day recoat system with the UV cure. Is furniture can go back on the floors the same day. So anyway, guys, this will be my last day working for the week. I'm going to be going out of town tomorrow through Sunday. Be back at it next Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and then we'll be going out of town again for the 4th of July weekend. So what we're going to be doing here, guys, is a little bit over 1,300 square feet, screen and recoat, again with UV curing. Then we got to go do 2 in-home consultations. One is in Loganville, the other one's in Walkinsville, and then come back and UV cure this floor. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. All right, guys, so we are in Dacula, Georgia. My client Jennifer, and I'm not gonna put her on camera, but just show what we're gonna be doing. All right, guys, if you look at these floors, they're not bad, but they do need some good finish. The finish is wearing, and they clear all the furniture out. Did they do a good job moving the furniture, Jennifer? Did they do a good job moving the furniture? Yes. Awesome. She said that was quick. All right, guys, so these are the floors we're going to be doing. Red oak is probably stained with maybe like a provincial. So when we get some new coating on this floor, it's going to look so much better. All right, guys, so we're going ahead and get started and get these floors looking good like the rest of all of our other floors. Actually, I got one I'm going to be doing like this Tuesday for a move out. I went and looked at that floor yesterday. I'm going to be doing that floor Tuesday. All right, guys, stay tuned.
Look at my flows looking like a pretty lady. Courtney Lee got 'em looking like a pretty lady. Walking through the house, everything looking crazy. One day recoat, UV cure. Now my flows looking like a pretty lady. Homeowner called, said my flows look rough. Scratches and wear, man, enough is enough. Truman pulled up with the crew on time. Screen and recoat, now the floor's gon' shine. No sand and mess, no weeks away. One day service got the house looking great. UV curing furniture back today. Neighbors asking who did those floors that way. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Look at my floors looking like a pretty lady. Ooh, ooh. Courtney Lee got 'em looking like a pretty lady. Ooh, fresh and clean from wall to wall. Everybody stop and stare when they walk down the hall. From Atlanta to Augusta, Sandy Springs to Decatur, every floor we touch make it look new later. Buffet coated UV light, let's go. Kids and pets back home before the sun gets low. No more dust, no more gray. Truman flows came through and saved the day. Yeah, pretty lady, that's what my flows look like. Pretty lady, got that smooth southern shine. Pretty lady, can't stop looking at 'em now. Pretty lady, everybody asking how. Ooh, ooh. Look at my floors looking like a pretty lady. Ooh, ooh. Courtney Lee got 'em looking like a pretty lady. One day recoat, UV cure. Truman flows in the house.
that's going to do it. Just sitting here having some casual conversation with my clients. They are happy with the services. So we went out and did 3 in-home consultations. Check this out. Both of them were, the first 2 was in Walkinsville. One is a client that found me online. He greatly appreciated that I was straightforward with my price. He booked for next Wednesday, and then the other one, they're moving in from Dallas, Texas, and they're also in Walkinsville, and I also booked them for next Wednesday. And the reason why I'm doing both of them next Wednesday, because we're going out of town next Thursday for the rest of the week. So back to this floor, guys. Floors came out great. The client loved how refreshed they look. A lot of the dry spots that she said she noticed, she don't see them anymore because the floors have the proper poly finish. Also UV cured. We did a little color correction, and yeah, so Christian, he is heading back to put the furniture back, and tomorrow, tomorrow, yeah, I'm done, guys. I'm done for the rest of the week. Tavares is just gonna do some shop work, clean the vans, things like that, and yeah, and we'll be back at it Monday. We have a huge project Monday. Actually, we're gonna come back Monday morning and clean and polish her quartzite countertops. Then we have a huge project Monday, screen recoat UV cure. Then Tuesday we have 2 screen and recoats. One is UV cure, and Wednesday we have those 2 that I booked today. And then the other one, he was in Loganville. He actually booked for after the 4th because he's getting his house painted. So he's going to have me come in after the 4th to screen the recoat and UV cure his floor. So anyway, guys, that's going to do it. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.